this example shows how to use Iray Server. First of all, I will start Iray Server using my little batch file. So this is very simple, it has a little script, it sets the path, and here start Iray Server without any argument because I'm not interested in creating a network. So this will start the Iray Server locally on my machine. And so there it is, has already been started. In Iray Viewer here, so one of the ways to use Iray Server is to use Analyze, and tools here, Analyze. I can press also just A. Here I can set what type of things that I want, so some animation or just a still image, things like this. I will reduce the number of iteration. In the output here, I would like to choose from something different, a little bit bigger. All this, I keep it like that, the name. In the queue, Iray Server starts in localhost, so this is the address with the standard port 9090, and there's a default username, admin. So I'm going to connect to it. Here I'm connected. If I press go to queue, this opens your browser, and you just type the name and password, log in. So currently my queue is empty. So to have something, I just have to add to queue, and now if I look to it, here I have in the job, animals. Here the parenthesis 2 is because I've already created previous task that had the same scene name here. And if you click here, you can see that it actually uses your resolution and the number of iterations that I wanted. It's not started yet. I will create something new. So for example, here I will also go and just put random materials on the object, change the camera to something else, like that. And I press A, connect back to the queue, add to it. If I look now to the queue, I can see that I have multiple jobs. Clicking on Start Queue will start rendering locally in my machine. And here you will see it started to run. You can see also that the log is showing what is happening. And over here, this is the first one is already done, and the second one here is also finished. So you can see that those has been rendered. So this is one way of using the queue. You can also use it for streaming. So if I would have a laptop and a bigger machine, I could sign in to my local host. Here I have also a different user. I can just connect to it. Here I have one node, which is the current Iray Server, and I could switch here to Photoreal Cloud. And now I'm currently streaming actually locally from my own machine to this one, but I could have this on a different machine. So the little laptop could use a bigger machine to stream my rendering. And that's it.